In the last video, we saw different variations of equation of a line, correct? Now let's solve few problems based on whatever we have learned so far. Look at the first one. So basically, see, the condition is given, you have to figure out the equation of the line. Okay, see the first one, equation of you have to find the equation of the line passing through the point with the slope of half. Now remember, we had done slope point form, and remember I told you it's a very important form. That form we are going to use here. So here we'll start with the first one. First, always write the formula. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula. The point x1 comma y1, this is equal to minus 4 comma 3. Now slope is given, m is equal to half. Now use the formula and apply. So you are going to have y minus 3 is equal to half into x minus of minus 4, which is x plus 4. Transpose the 2 that side. So you are going to have 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. So take the 2y this side. So finally your answer is going to become x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. So this becomes the answer. That means for the first question, the equation of the line is going to become x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the answer for the first question. Fair enough? Now let's do the second one. Second one and third one. See, you guys can pause, go ahead and solve the problem. Okay. See, second one, 2 points are given. Find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. Here you can convert this into a slope point form. Calculate the slope and you have a point. Or you can use the 2-point form. Either of them, it's correct. Okay, let's do the second one now. In the second one, guys, first let's calculate the slope. All right. So in the second one, calculate slope. M is equal to delta y by delta x, which is going to become minus 4 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So minus 5 divided by 3. So slope of the line is minus 5 by 3. Correct? Now again we are going to use the slope point form, which is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Again, I'm telling you, you guys can use the 2-point form also. It's the same anyway. It makes no difference actually. So here we can use, so what we'll do, we'll use this particular point, minus 1 comma 1. You can use the next second one also, that is the 2 comma minus 4 also. But let's take 1 comma minus 1 and do it. It's much easier to solve. So you have y minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3 into x plus 1. Transpose 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Now take everything to LHS because x and y, generally x is positive, correct? Take the x to the other side, you'll finally get the answer as 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. 5x plus 3y plus 2. This is going to be the answer for the second question. Okay, let's do the third one now. Third question. See, you have to find the equation of a line intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin, making an angle of 30° with the positive direction of x-axis. Now, this is the intercept form. Remember, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, that intercept form in the sense not x by a plus y by b. That's not what I meant. I'm sorry. We are looking at the slope intercept form. That particular form is what we are looking at. Okay, now in the third one, now what you have is that c value is 2. C value is 2. Now, it makes an angle of 30°. If it's making an angle of 30°, theta is equal to 30. Remember, we have to calculate tan theta. So, tan theta is equal to tan 30. which is 1 by root 3. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now, C value is 2, tan theta or M value, correct? So, this basically is M. M is tan 30 which is 1 by root 3. So, let's apply the formula. Formula is what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So, y is equal to 1 by root 3 mx plus c. C value is 2. Take the LCM. Take the root 3 that side, this side. Take LCM and transpose it. You will have root 3y is equal to x plus 2 root 3. So, final answer is going to be x minus root 3 into y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So this is going to give you the answer for the third question. Remember, it's the slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. With the help of that, we can solve the third one. Okay, now let's look at the fourth one. See the fourth question. You have to find the equation of the line, which is the perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. Remember the last form, the normal form? This is basically the normal form, isn't it? So here what do you have? The perpendicular P is equal to 5, correct? And the value of theta is equal to 30 degree. Now what was the equation? Equation is, or theta in the sense alpha you can take it. I think we have done it as alpha. So in this case, theta or alpha, you can take however you want. So in this case, now the formula is going to be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, correct? X into cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. So x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 is equal to 5. See, 2 is the LCM. You don't have to do anything. Just take it by 2, take it to the other side. So you're going to have x into root 3 plus y is equal to 2 into 5 is 10. Now you can keep this in the standard form. The standard form becomes root 3x plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the answer for the fourth one. Let's do the fifth one now. See the fifth one. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, passes through the point 2, 3. Very interesting question. First, try to draw the graph. Graph in the sense of figure. A rough figure is also fine, well and good. Okay, no problem. Suppose if you have to draw a rough figure here. So the point is 2, 3. So now what we have? 2, 3. Somewhere over here. This is 2, 3. So let's call this as point A, which is 2, 3. Now what do we do? Now see, you have equal intercepts, isn't it? So from here, so we have equal intercepts, correct? So we'll say from here the line goes, and this point and this point, they have equal intercepts. Make sense? Correct. Now, in this case, if they're equal intercepts, suppose if this is A, even this will also be equal to A, isn't it? What is the equation in the intercept form? Intercept form equation is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. But here, A and B are one and the same, correct? So what do you get? X by A plus y by A is equal to 1. LCM is A itself. So what do you get now? X plus y is equal to A. Correct? So x plus y is equal to A. Now, this particular line passes through which point? It passes through 2, 3. So x is 2, y is 3. Because the line should, if you substitute a point on the line, it should satisfy the equation, isn't it? x as 2, y as 3. So we get 2 plus 3 is equal to a. A value we got it as 5. Correct? So a value is 5. That means this value is 5. So this value is also equal to 5. So what do you get the equation as? See, x by 5 plus y by 5. Here we can take x by 5 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Isn't it? Or x plus y is equal to a. That directly you can take it. Therefore, the equation becomes x plus y is equal to 5, or x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this equation is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Clear? We have done 5 problems on different topics, whatever we have studied and whatever we have discussed so far. Let's look at different concepts from the next video onwards.